Welcome back to Patman Garage. So this is going to be a quick update or repair. So I bought this compressor about 2 years ago, maybe a year and a half ago. I don't know, something about, yeah, somewhere around there. And here lately it's been really intermittent on the switch. I would have to, kind of almost like Fonzie style and like pop the housing to get it to come on. So I'll show you what I found here. Before you do anything to the switch, make sure you take your plug and disconnect it from the wall, because this is 220 and this shit will kill you. Not just tingle a little bit, you're just dead. So switch is unplugged, or power cable's unplugged. Now this is the on-off switch here, and as you can see, I'm getting a nice positive reaction here on these are our contactors on the face of the compressor there. So whenever the pressure relief kicks on, this will pop out and open the contacts, and then whenever you drive the compressor switch, it also does the same thing. So what I was having happen is these would just kind of hang up, and I would flip the switch down on, and these guys would just be chilling out here, and then I would hit the casing like that with my fist, and that would shake them loose and they would come in contact with it. I did find there was a ball of hot glue over this guy right here, and this is the adjustment screw for the spring tension there. So if you tighten this up, that puts more tension on your spring. So righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, so return it to the right, and we add tension to that spring. What I did is it just kind of turned about a half a turn, and then I'd actuate my switch a couple times, see if it felt normal. We weren't quite there. Turn another half a turn until it started feeling right again. And then I'm going to go back behind here and put another big ball of hot glue on this. Honestly, with the vibration of the compressor, this really probably needs something to actually keep this retained better than hot glue, but that's what we had here to begin with, so we'll duplicate that. And then I'm going to do the dangerous action here of, I'm going to plug my compressor back in. I'm going to show you how this operates. I'm not going to touch anything because, again, spicy 220, you don't want to mess with that. All right. So we are circuit live now, and compressor goes on. And our contacts opened up like we wanted them to. So that's how that works. So we're happy with that. We can go ahead and power off here. And you see that we're not doing anything now that we're on pressure relief side. And then I'm going to go ahead and unplug my cover, or unplug the plug, so I can put my cover back on safely here, and we'll call this one fixed. So short and sweet. Overall, not a bad, quick little adjustment. Like I said, I'm going to drop another ball of hot glue there on top of that, and we'll call this one a win. So I appreciate you guys checking out another video of mine, and I will catch you in the next one. All right, and there's my hot glue reinstalled. I ended up putting a little bit more up and tagged onto this wall here. So hopefully that'll give me a little bit more rotational resistance there on that guy. But like I said, pretty easy repair here.